Make money online without any work at all from your couch. It sounds too good to be true, but let me show you. Step 1. Go to Upwork. In the top right corner, we will search for talent and we will search for copywriting. If we search that, we will get a few results of freelancers that do the copywriting. Copywriting is like writing content, engaging content or articles or blogs or sales copy or whatever. As you can see, the hourly rate is from $75, $100, $110, $97, and so on. You can see people earn $100,000, $400,000. But wait, we said we will not work at all. So step 1, create a profile on Upwork and optimize it. You can hire some people or you can do it yourself. It's not that difficult. You go through a wizard, you add all the fields. You have to have the image and your hourly rate. Start from $50 for starters. And now I will show you 4 ways you can get that content and you don't have to write it yourself. First way is go to peopleperhour.com and search for copywriting. Oh, how easy is that? So as you can see, compelling copywriting, 500 words for $30, and you can sell it for at least 50, but for beginners. But later you will be able to have even more different. There are some more expensive here. So let me show you platform number 2, which is Fiverr. Fiverr is actually a gig platform, and so you can get very cheap gigs from people who live in Philippines or India or Pakistan, and for $25, $30, $5 you can get your article written. Everything that is the difference between what you charge on Upwork and what you pay your author is your profit. One thing to say, it will take some time until you find a better or a good writer with spelling and grammar, but nevertheless I got some articles written on Fiverr for $5 and they were like unique and really nice articles, not top notch, but if you pay like $25, $30 you will get a nice article. Method number 3 is go to iWriter. iWriter is like a platform where writers sell their content. As you can see on their pricing page, they have several like tiers: standard, premium, elite, and elite plus, and that's how the content looks. So if you see here, standard article of 500 words is $3.30, but the quality of that article is like lower a bit. So if you go for the elite or even elite plus, you can get 500 words for $39, which is a difference even if you charge $50 on Upwork. But I would start with elite, so you get some margins when you get started. Method number 4 is AI or artificial intelligence. I will link this tool down below. It's free to try. They even now added like a AI image generator, which works like a charm. But basically, this is an AI tool that can write articles. One caveat: don't just copy and paste everything that AI article and blog writer spits out. Read the article, edit it to sound more human or anything, because Google will start to identify AI generated articles and they will not rank very well. So generate like article ideas or article intros or outlines and then write some of them. So this is some work involved in this method, but not as much as if you need to come up and write the whole article yourself. I think this is a nice business model. It's called drop servicing, and you are actually using other people's servicing to sell your service, which is a nice way to make money online today. So what are you waiting for? Go to Upwork and open your profile. It will be worth it. And to find out even more ways to make money online, there's 2 ways. One is the free course in the comments, and the other one is this video right here.